Hello traders, welcome back to Forex Geek, where we dive deep into the tool that can help you make smarter trading decisions. And in today's video, we will discover the best future trading platforms and apps that can give you an edge in the market. Choosing the right platform is one of the most important decisions you would ever make as a trader because your execution speed, charting tools, and overall trading experience depends on it. Some platforms offer powerful analysis features, others provide enhanced automation options, while a few stands out for their low cost and reliability. So watch the video until the end and you will learn which platform are best suited for your trading style and how they can trade help you trade futures more efficiently. When we talk about future trading platform, we are referring to software that connects you to futures markets, your gateway to trading contracts on commodities, index, cryptocurrencies, and other financial instruments. Now, the right platform can provide you with the tools, speed, and reliability needed to execute your trading strategy effectively. While the wrong choice can limit your potential and create unnecessary obstacles, let's examine the top performing platforms that serious futures traders rely on, starting with the most established names in the industry. The first is known as MetaTrader 5, represents a significant evolution from its predecessor, specifically designed to handle the complexity of modern day trading futures. Unlike your MT4, which is primarily built for your Forex, the MT5 was developed with a multi-asset trading in mind, making it a natural choice for futures traders who want to access various markets from a single platform. The platform order management system is where MT5 truly shines for futures trading. You can access all standard order types you will need: market order, the limit order, and your sales limit and your buy stop. Those are the order types you can access. You can also make use of your trailing stops that are essential for managing futures position. The platform handles margin calculations automatically, showing you exactly how much margin you will need for each position and how much free margin you have available. The MT5 sets apart from its market depth functionality, which shows you the order book for futures contracts. This level 2 data allows you to see where the major buyers and selling interest lies, giving you insights into potential support and resistance level that aren't visible on standard price charts. For day traders working with liquid futures contracts, the information can be invaluable for timing entries and exits. The algorithm trading capabilities of the MT5 are robust. Using the MQL5 programming language, you can develop expert advisors, which are EA, that automatically execute your trading strategy, backtest them using historical data, and optimize parameters to improve your performance. The strategy tester in MetaTrader 5 is particularly advanced, allowing you to test your strategy across multiple time frames and economic and instruments simultaneously. The MT5 economic calendar integrated is another practical feature for the futures traders. Since future prices are highly influenced by economic events and data releases, having this information directly within your trading platforms helps you stay aware of potential market moving events. The calendar shows the expected impact of each event and provides historical data for compensation. However, the MT5 does has limitations. The broker selection can be more limited compared to the MT4, and some brokers charge additional fees for accessing accessing certain futures markets through the platform. The learning curve is also steeper than simpler platform, which might overwhelm beginner traders. Which leads us to the next platform that we can make use of, which is the TradingView. Now, the TradingView has revolutionized how traders approach technical analysis and social trends trading. Unlike your MT4 and MT5, your TradingView isn't primarily an execution platform. It is a web-based charting and analyze powerhouse that has become the gold standard for technical analysis across all financial markets. What makes the TradingView exceptional is its charting capabilities. The platform offers institutional grade charts that are both beautiful and fundamentally focused. You can analyze any financial instrument from stocks to Forex, cryptocurrencies, funds, bonds, and so on and so forth, all with the same high quality charting tools. The interface is clean, modern, and intuitive, making it accessible to beginners while providing depth that professional traders demand. The social aspect of the TradingView is equally compelling. The platform hosts a massive community of traders who shares analysis, ideas, and strategies. So you can follow successful traders to see their published charts and even receive notification when they post new ideas. This creates a learning environment where you can observe how experienced traders approach the market and apply similar techniques to your own trading. TradingView Pine Script program allows you to create custom indicators and strategies unlike your expert advisors in MetaTrader. The Pine script is designed to be more accessible to traders without extensive programming background. You can create complex indicators, screening tools, and even automated strategies that can be backtested directly on your platform. This platform offers multiple subscription tiers, from a free version with the basic features to professional plans that involves advanced features like multiple chart layouts, extended historical data, and prioritized customer service support. Even the free version is remarkably capable, offering real-time data for most major markets and a comprehensive set of technical indicators. One of the strongest features of the TradingView is its alert system. You can set alerts on technical levels, you can set alerts on your trend line, and it can be sent directly to your email address on your phone on the app. It can bing and play sounds to alert you to come back to your trading work, meaning you must not be on your screen. You can actually set an alarm and be alerted when price gets to your area of interest. However, the TradingView's main limitation is its execution. While the platform has partnered with several brokers for direct trading, the execution capabilities are not as robust as dedicated trading platform. Many traders use TradingView for analysis and then switch to their broker's preferred platform for actual trade execution, which creates some workflow friction. Now, the next platform we are going to discuss for trading futures is called the NinjaTrader. The NinjaTrader was built specifically with futures and Forex traders in mind, and its focus shows in every aspect of the platform. Unlike general purpose trading platform, the Ninja trading platform understands the unique requirements of future trading, the need for speed, precision, and advanced order flow analysis. The platform charting capability are exceptional with a particular strength in displaying volume and order flow data. You can see volume profile, market data and bid and ask price imbalances directly in your chart, sentiment, providing insights to the market sentiment. These levels of market depth analysis is crucial for understanding whether a price moves is likely to continue or reverse. The NinjaTrader's order system is designed for speed and flexibility. The platform offers multiple orders entry methods from traditional order tickets to advanced depth of market trading interface. The depth of market interface shows you the current bid and ask price along with the size of each level. The platform's backtesting capabilities are among the most comprehensive available. You can test strategies using tick-by-tick historical data, which provides the most accurate simulations of how your trade would have been performed in real market conditions. The strategy analyzer shows detailed performance metrics, including profit factors, maximum drawdown, and win-loss ratio, helping you evaluate your visuality of your trading approach. One of the NinjaTrader's unique features is Market Replay, which allows you to replay historical market data as it were in real time. This feature is excellent for practicing your trading skills, testing new strategies, or reviewing how you handle specific market conditions. You can speed up or slow down the replay, pause at critical moments, and even place simulated trades to see how they would have played out in real time. However, the NinjaTrader's licensing structure can be expensive for retail traders. While you can use the platform for free for simulation and backtesting, live trading requires either a monthly lease or a lifetime license purchase. Additionally, the platform advanced feature creates a steep learning curve that might overwhelm new traders. And that leads us to the next trading platform for futures, which is called our cTrader. Now, the cTrader represents the modern evolution of trading platform designed focus, focusing on user experience and technological innovation. While it starts primarily as a Forex platform, its features trading capability has grown significantly, making it an attractive option for traders who want a clean, intuitive interface combined with powerful functionality. The platform design centers on simplicity without sacrificing of functionality. The interface is clean and modern, with customizable layouts that allows you to arrange charts, orders, panels, and market data exactly however you want it. cTrader execution speed is one of the strongest selling points. The platform is built on modern architecture that minimize latency between your order placement and market execution. For futures day traders, where milliseconds can mean the difference between profit and losses, these execution speed advantages can be significant. The platform also provides detailed execution strategies, showing you exactly how long your order takes to reach the market. The charting capabilities in cTrader are comprehensive, offering all the standard technical indicators and drawing tools that you need for analysis, which sets it apart in its platform approach to usability. Tools are logically organized, keyboard shortcuts are intuitive, and the overall workflow feels natural. You can quickly switch between time frames and you can add indicators as fast as possible. These are the major advantages of your cTrader. However, the cTrader futures markets coverage is not as extensive as some competitors, and broker selection can be limited compared to more established platforms. The platform is also relatively new to future trading, so some advanced futures specific features found in dedicated platforms might be missing in the cTrader. Now, the last but not the least platform that we are going to discuss for future trading is called your MT4. Now, the MT4 is primarily known for Forex trading platform, and it maintains relevance in the 2025 for specific trading of futures trading, particularly for traders who prioritize simplicity and automatic trading capabilities. Despite being an older version, the MT4 widely spreads adoption and extensive third-party support ecosystem keeps it valuable for certain trading approach. The platform's greatest strength continues to be its simplicity and use. The interface is straightforward and intuitive, making it accessible to beginners traders who might be overwhelmed by such complex platforms. You can quickly place trades and analyze charts and monitor positions without navigating through complex menus or settings. However, the MT4 limitations become apparent when compared to modern platforms. The platform still lacks many advanced order types and are standard in deciding futures trading platform, and its market depth capability are limited. The platform also does not handle multiple asset class as elegantly as newer alternatives, which can be restrictive for traders who want to diversify beyond Forex into the futures market. So this is the red flag for the MT4. Alright traders, we have come to the end of this video. Engage with us in the comments below. We want to hear about your experiences. And if you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so that you wouldn't miss out on more trading tips and strategies. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.